How to delete Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, what you're simply gonna do is, first of all, launch the app on your device. Then in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your Instagram's profile picture. Click on it. After you've done that, it'll take you to your profile page. Then from here, in the top right corner, you'll see a three bar option which is over here. Go there. And then in the first option under your account, you'll see Account Center. Click on Account Center, then scroll down and under Account Settings, go to the second option which says Personal Details. Then in the last option, go to Account Ownership and Control. Then go to Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose your account you want to delete. After that, it will show you two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. So go to Delete Account and then go to Continue. After you do that, your Instagram account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Instagram account. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.